Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an eye blink tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make this and this. So let's get into the tutorial. You'll need to separate the eyes like this. First, start by adding all of the layers separately and adding the pivot points. You can also name the layers, which I like to do sometimes. Not always though. I'm gonna show you how to make the shadows, like how to make the eyes and the shadows not stick out and stay in the position of the whites. I can't really explain this, so you're gonna have to watch what I'm doing instead, sorry. You should have this. Now I'm gonna start showing you how to animate it. You're gonna add effects on the top lash, then you're gonna add wave warp, then you're gonna use only the phrase and magnitude. You're gonna set it to a position you like, and then you're gonna go to magnitude and add the keyframes there. You're gonna add the keyframes and then 0 magnitude on the ones at the sides. Then you're gonna add a graph. You're gonna add the curvy one. Then you're gonna add a movement. Movement is the thing that makes the eye start actually blinking. Now do that to the second eye. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the lower lashes not look weird while blinking. You're gonna go into movement, then you're gonna make it smush a bit. Then you're gonna put the keyframes in the same spot as the eyes, and then you're gonna put the same graph there as the eyes. And there you go, you should have blinking, the simple blink. This is how it should look. Now I'm gonna show you the detailed blink, which makes the pupils move. At some point, I kind of changed my mind here. So you're gonna put the keyframes in the same places, and then you're gonna go add an effect called scale, something scale. I'll show it, pop it up. I changed the second graph to something that'll make the eyes blink faster, but that's optional. For the pupils, I added a graph which will make it bounce. You should get this. Sorry it took me so long to make this, but tutorials are hard to make, and I hope this tutorial has helped you. Hope it helped. Bye, kitties!